Commanding officers need to be able to get messages out to the troops on the battlefield, but they don't want the enemy to be able to understand these messages. Nowadays, encryption is performed by computers, but this wasn't always the case. The Enigma machine was used to encrypt and decrypt messages. You can think of this as a very sophisticated letter scrambler. It was invented in the early 1900s, and then most famously, it was used by the German military in the 1930s and throughout World War II. This is the keyboard with 26 letters. And this is the lamp board, which also has 26 letters, but these letters can light up. Each time you press a letter on the keyboard, a letter on the lamp board lights up, but it will always be a different letter than the one that was pressed. There are usually two people involved when the machine is used, one person to type in the letters and another person to write down the letters that appear on the lamp board. Let's use our example from earlier. Type in each letter and write down the letters that appear on the lamp board. Now we have our encrypted message, the scrambled letters that nobody can read. This message is sent usually by radio using Morse code. The person who receives this message also has their own Enigma machine. To decrypt the message or unscramble it, they type in the letters on the keyboard and write down which letters appear on the lamp board, and out comes the original message. The Enigma machine was used for both encryption and decryption. The person sending the message needs a machine, and the person receiving the message also needs a machine to be able to read it again. So how does the Enigma machine know which letters to give you? Maybe you press an A and out comes an H.